Everyone, and we'd like to walk you through a step-by-step of creating your own blog. We just purchased the website creatingblog.org. So we want to walk you through our steps of how we're going to set up our first blog. Okay, we have set up our hosting with iPage. Now remember, this is behind the scenes. We'll try to do it in one take. We have set up our hosting account with iPage. They emailed us and gave us our password. So we're going to type that in there. Our username is creating blog. So once you sign up with iPage or whoever you sign up with, they'll give you your username and your password. I like iPage. It's simple. The customer service is amazing. All right. So we're going to log in after we have our username and our password. So it's taking its time to log in. Thing that's cool about iPage, since I have you on hold, is you can click this little live chat. They're available 24 hours, 7 days a week. Okay, so now once you log in to your what's called your control panel, you're going to see which looks like this. Boom, here it is. This is our control panel. We're going to click Simple Scripts. That's the first thing you want to click. Now remember, we're barely setting this up our first time as creating blogs. So let's go through the process. Then you're going to get a page that looks like this. Where you want to click is you want to click one-click installs. See that right there? One-click install. So let's go ahead and click there. Once you click there, you're going to get to a page that looks like this, and we want to install a WordPress. So we're going to go ahead and click on the WordPress icon. Then it's going to tell you to install. So we're going to click on install. We have the domain name, Creating Blog, so we're just going to keep it there. Okay, so we want everything that goes to creatingblog.org to go to this WordPress blog. So let's click domain, checking domain. See how that goes. It could take a couple of minutes depending on your server. So if you want to go grab a cup of coffee or peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you can do that while we're waiting. And also, just while we have you on hold, if you want, not only do we have creatingblog.org, we also have creatingwebsite.org. It says, it looks like files already exist in that location. If we proceed, some files may be overwritten. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Then I'm going to hit, I have received terms and conditions, and I'm going to hit install now. Okay, there's a little pop-up. Let's get rid of that. It says your install is underway. So let's go through the whole process. And then if we have any challenges, then what we'll do is we'll try to get a hold of iPage, and I'll even let you see my live chat with them if we have any challenges. But let's see what happens. Like I said, this is behind the scenes. Hope everything goes well. If not, welcome to creatingblog.org. Okay, it's taking its time. And the good thing about our services that we have at creatingblog.org, if you ever set up your own blog and you have questions, we have an Ask Us a Question section. Okay, it says your install is complete. So now, once it's complete, we want to view our credentials. See where it says view credentials? You want to go there. Now this is where it's going to give you your password and your login details. So let's click view. Okay, now we have our creatingblog.org. We have our admin URL. We have our username, and we have our password. So where it says admin URL, that's where you log into your dashboard. So let me go ahead and copy the password, and we're going to click that. So remember, we clicked here, creatingblog.org, WP-admin. Let's see what happens. See if we can log in. Username is CMC Beats. Password, we copy and paste that. There you are. You are now officially in your own dashboard where you can set up your WordPress. So what we want to do now is we want to go to Appearance, see where it says Appearance, and we want to install a theme. So we're going to click on Appearance, and here's, you want to make sure you're in Themes. Here's all the themes that you can install. We personally work with the Vantage theme, but just for tutorial's sake, we'll just go ahead and install a quick theme real quick. So let's go ahead and, I think this one's already installed. Yeah, it's already installed. So now that we have our theme, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and see if we could go to our website and see how it looks. Let's go to creatingblog.org. See what happens. Okay, it says this site is under development. So somehow it didn't go through. So let me see what I could do here. Let me go to Settings. Okay, and then we're going to go to Reading. Okay, our latest post. Let's see if we have any posts. It should have a default post, but let's check. Yeah, we have a default post. Okay, for some reason it's not working. So I'm glad it didn't work, because now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to iPage and watch you let me chat with them, or let you watch me chat with them. Okay, let's see how good their customer service is. Go to live chat. Okay, email the CMC Beats. I'm gonna have to block out some of my information from you, but that's okay. Username is creating blog, and then I have a security question, and then we go there. So let's see how well their customer service does with putting them to the test. Okay, please hold for the next available operator. The time that I'm calling them right now is 4:08 a.m. in the morning. Okay, it's 4:08 a.m. in the morning, California time. Let's see how well they respond at 4 in the morning to some customer service. Okay. All right, looks like we have someone. Let's talk to them. Hi, how are you? I am good. So what we're going to do is we're going to let them know we're having a challenge. I have just set up a blog, or let's see, website, and I can't, let me see, seem to get the site too low. Let's try that. Oops. The address is creatingblog.org. So we're going to go through the process. Let's see how it works here. He says, or Bippin says, hi, apologize for the wait. I ask him, how are you? He says, I'm great, thank you. So then I tell him I'm good. I've just set up a website and I can't seem to get the site to load. The address is creatingblog.org. So let's see what happens here with the customer service. So then he answers and says, I am good, or he or she answers, says, I'm great, thank you. So let's see what happens. Please hold on while I check on your website. And I'm going to say, okay. Okay, to protect your account from unauthorized changes, I need to give them my historical character. Says, thank you for the authentication. May I place you on hold? I'm going to say, sure. Thank you for your patience. I am still researching the issue. I will be back with some more information. Okay. Wow, that was a quick 3 minutes. Thank you for holding. No problem. So let's see what the outcome is. I've corrected your issue with the website, and website is now loading up without any issue. Okay, let me check. So let's go to our website. Let's go to creatingblog.org. See if it loads. Let me refresh the page just in case. Let's see what. There it is. They fixed it for us. Well done. iPage customer service is off the hook. Okay, it is working fine. Thanks. And then we're done. Okay, so let's go ahead and log out of there because they're going to ask me to rate and stuff. And I don't want to take up too much of your time. But let's go ahead and exit. It is my pleasure, he says. There we go. Let me click rate and exit. Let's give them a 10. Boom, boom, boom. And then we hit submit. Okay, so now you just published your first blog. And you had a little challenge. But look how iPage customer service knocked it out for us. So now you have your blog and you can go in and make posts by clicking add new. Let's make a quick post for you. I want to show you how to do a static page, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let me just show you real quick. Let's just put a little bonus feature in here for you. Okay, my first blog. And let's put my first blog. So this is your title. Okay, and this is your content. You can make it bold. You could add colors. Let's see if we want to see like a dark blue. That could be your first blog. Hello everyone and welcome to my first blog. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and then to publish it, you're gonna put publish here. I'm gonna show you a cool feature that is really good, and you should pay for this one, but I'm gonna give it to you for free. All right, what you want to do is I'm gonna go here. Okay, and this is our page. This is our first blog. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a page. So you have posts and then you have pages. So we also have a sample page. So I'm going to go ahead and trash the sample page. Okay, and then I'm going to add a new page. And I'm going to call this home page. Watch how cool this is. And we're going to say home page. Creating blog. Make your blog today. Now watch what happens. I'm going to publish this page. I might even show you another cool trick, but let's see. It depends. All right. Now what I want to do is I made this page. You want to go to apparent, and I'm sorry, you want to go to settings and reading. Now right now when you go to this website creatingblog.org, it's going to go here to my first blog. That's where it goes. Okay. If you want to create a blog, then you're good. But if you want to create a website, I'm going to show you how to do that. You go to settings, reading, okay, and you're going to tell your post to load your pages instead of your blog. Because right here it loaded our blog, right? But now we're going to tell it to load a page. And the page we're going to load is called the home page. So what this means is when anybody types in creatingblog.org, they're going to be taken to a home page that looks like a website instead of a blog. So you have two options. You could do a post, which is a blog, or you could do a page that looks like a website. So now I just directed them. It's called a static page. So you can either do posts or pages. I just changed it to where the front page displays our home page. Let's go test it out. So now we type in creatingblog.org. Instead of going to the blog, it goes to the home page. So there you have it. Home page, creating blog, make your blog today. So the information that is there is what we put in our page. Here, that's our home page. Okay, here it is, home page, create your blog today. So when they type in creatingblog.org, they go here. But let me show you a cool feature. We're going to go to appearance and we're going to go to themes, and we're going to make this thing look like a website. So right here I have the Vantage theme installed right here. If you don't know how to install new themes, you just want to go to add new, Wait, not add new, hold on. You want to go to themes and you want to click add new theme, my bad. And then you type in Vantage theme or whatever theme you want to use, okay? So we like to use the Vantage theme. Boom, there it is. Once you hit install, it'll be available. So now we're going to go to our themes that we have installed because we've already installed the Vantage theme. Whatever you want to install, you just hit install and it'll show up in your installed themes. Now to activate it, because if you go here to creatingblog.org, it's still going to give you the old theme. But we're going to make this thing look like a website. So now after I've installed the theme, we're going to click activate. Okay? Now when you click activate, watch what happens. Now it looks like you have a website. You just change your whole appearance of your whole website. Now let's go in and customize this a little bit and then we'll be done. You got here where it says customize. Excuse me. So we don't want it to say SSS site title because right now when you see that, it says SSS site title. So we're going to change that. And you could just put creating blog here, teaching you how to blog. Then you're going to hit save. Okay. After you hit save, now when you refresh your page, it's not going to say SSS site title, it's going to say creating blog. Pretty cool, huh? Then you go here, it says teaching you how to blog. So you could go in and customize this thing as much as you want. The cool thing about it is when you pay for the premium version, you get a little bit more options. Me personally, we don't really use this slider thing. It's cool for some, you know. I'm not really feeling the slider thing though. I'm not really one for that. So what I do is I just go in and take out the slider and I make it have the three little icons. These three things here. That's what I usually make it have. I'll show you how to do that real quick. If you go to let's see, I think it's home. Let me think. Home page. I would have to check here. Install page builder. If you install the page builder, you're on your way to creating an awesome website. Okay, I would highly recommend it. So once you install the page builder, okay, just that alone takes it to a whole nother level. So now you have the page builder installed, which is right here. So let's go ahead and refresh. Let's see what the page builder has done. We haven't even, let me see. We got to adjust it first. So now that you've installed the page builder, let's go to parents. Let's go to customize. Okay. I'm sorry, I went to the wrong thing. Let's go to appearance. And we're going to go to, let me see, I think is it widgets? Theme settings. Let's try theme settings. I think that's it. That's it. Okay, so see how you have the call me maybe here? You can get rid of that by going here, taking that out. If you don't want the slider, like I'm not a fan of the slider, you go to home, put none. Okay, so you got logo. Here's where's your logo. Will be at the top of your page. Your layout, your home. Right here is your demo slider. I'm going to take that out and put none. Hit save settings. Okay. And let's see what happens now when we refresh the page. The slider should disappear. That's it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to home page. And we're going to install the home page right here where it says custom home page. Let's install that. So then we're going to have the 3 circles and we can work this thing. Okay. I'm just taking you through it real quick. This is like a bonus for you. But once again, if you want detail, you could always ask us a question. Creatingblog.org, ask us a question section. Boom, you go here, you hit refresh. Now watch what happens to our home page. Boom, there you go. Now it's looking more and more like a website. You can adjust all these things. You can make them bigger, smaller, put your own fonts. There's so much you can do. All right. Well, we hope this tutorial has helped you, but the main thing we wanted to teach you is how to do a blog. So let's go back to that, put your blog back up, and then we'll be done. Okay, once again, if you want to set your blog, what are we going to do? we're going to go to settings. Okay, so let's find settings. Boom. Right here, you're going to go to reading. Okay, and you're going to change this to your latest post. Now it becomes a blog once you save it. Okay, and your latest post, when people go to creatingblog.org, they'll go to your latest post. So I refresh it, it won't take me to my page no more, it'll take me to a blog. Boom, there's my first blog. Now to change the blog, I showed you, you go to post, right? And then here's your first blog. You can edit it however you want to do it, put pictures, whatever you want to do. This is where you can put pictures by clicking add media right here. You can upload pictures, media library. Once you start uploading pictures, they'll show up there. Okay, here's your post. Boom, boom, boom. You hit update or whatever changes you want to make. Okay, once you add another blog, it'll go to your latest one. Let's add one more real quick. Let's add another one. And let's just put my second blog. This is my second blog. Go down here. My second blog. I hit publish. Now remember, I have it set up to read my latest blog. So when I go to creatingblog.org, hit refresh, it's going to go to my second blog. So here's a list of all your blogs. First blog, second blog. Here's your recent post. And you're good. Hope this has helped you out. Thank you for visiting creatingblog.org. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.